Hello everyone. Today we are going to discuss MCQs for July 14th and 15th, 2018. These MCQs and the related information is going to be very important for the upcoming RBI examination. Without wasting any time, let's start with the lecture. The first question says, Organization of Pharmaceutical Producers of India has launched a digital campaign which aims to call ideas to improve access to healthcare in India. What is the name of the campaign? Such questions can be asked and have been asked in phase 1 of RBI, so they are important. The answer is Think for Health. Another important information related to this has been launched in relation with or in partnership with Telangana government. It will provide a platform for the young minds and various social and health tech entrepreneurs to share their ideas on the mentioned topics, and there will be 3 winning ideas who will be given a platform to be heard through Organization of Pharmaceutical Producers of India and Telangana's collaboration. Which of the following has launched India's first exquisite air-conditioned dormitory at metro station? A very important question. High chances that it will be asked in the examination. The answer is Kochi. Metro Rail Limited has launched it and it will be operated by Peters Inn. This is also important. In which of the following monuments Archaeological Survey of India has allowed photography? A very interesting question indeed. The answer is none of these. The twist here is that Archaeological Survey of India has allowed photography within the premises of centrally protected monuments, but these 3 monuments, which are also centrally protected, Ajanta Caves, Taj Mahal and Leh Palace, they have been excluded or they have been exempted from this. So photography is still not allowed in these 3 places, but it is allowed at every other place within the premises of these all kinds of centrally protected monuments. Which of the following state has constituted Heritage Cabinet? The answer to this question is C. Odisha. What is the purpose of this Heritage Cabinet? The aim is to protect ancient monuments. Odisha has a very rich heritage, very rich culture of monuments, temples and various archaeological sites, and also to take steps to preserve the state's culture, language and literature. Which of the following has received the internal award for exceptional performance by World Bank? The answer is B. Integrated Coastal Zone Management. It is a World Bank supported project that aims to build national capacity for implementation of comprehensive coastal management approach in the country, and this organization has been provided an internal award for exceptional performance. A very important question, this one. A report from OECD has projected the growth rate of India at dash in 2019. It has been updated recently by OECD. The answer is 7.5% for 2019 and 7.4% for the year 2018. Please update in your notes wherever you have mentioned all the growth rates of different organizations for India and other countries. For China, what are the projections by OECD? 6.7% in the year 2018 and 6.4% in the year 2019. These are the projections for China by OECD. World Youth Skills Day is observed on which day? The answer is C. July 15th. The UN General Assembly, UN General Assembly has declared this day to create awareness on the importance of investing in development of youth skills. A very important question. I believe high chances of this question being asked. Which of the following country won the FIFA World Cup 2018? Everybody, all of you must be aware about it. But let's have a look at some other information related to this. Where was it organized? It was organized or hosted by Russia. In 2014, it was won by Germany. Another important information. Which country was the host? Brazil was the host in the year 2014. And the first time France won was in the year 1998. This is the second win for France, second time France has won the World Cup title of FIFA. So this is all about today's current affairs MCQs. If you like this lecture, please subscribe to my channel now. You can also provide me feedback in the comment section below and I will be more than happy to provide you replies and also to listen to what you have to say. regarding these lectures. I am coming out with phase 1 as well as phase 2 crash course lectures on a regular basis, and I expect you all to go through them so that you can benefit and you can prepare well for the upcoming examination.